Hi, this is the video recording for group 12 of the Zen Garden project. Betsy DeLore, Clarice Hoffman, Mackenzie Taggart. We completed our website and we would like to take you through some of the steps of the development and our design efforts.
So our theme was kind of went off the idea of the power and potential that advanced CSS class create more of our designs as tools, and was a bird that
So because we chose to go with a flight theme, we wanted things that, colors that were like sky and sea and clouds and kind of a really soft color palette.
our theme, a CSS shape, a bird, and this bird we created an wings flap, and this is the code, wings that are flapping. Animation that lasted for 3 seconds and kept going times in a row. And then we use keyframes to animate it throughout the process, so it would change seconds.
So we didn't really have a lot of difficulties. Two of us are in the Pacific time zone and one in Central, so meeting times and busy schedules were sometimes really hard, but we worked that out. And we took turns passing the whole file back and forth, so we didn't really have any issues with which version we were on, and we renamed them each time we passed it along to someone else. Probably a major difficulty, even though it wasn't really a big deal, was everyone codes differently, just the same as everyone writes differently. And so every time we received the new file from the last person, it took a little while to get up to speed, but that was a good thing also, because it's good to be able to decipher another person's code, and it forces you to know the language better.
I think one of the great things about working with this team was we had a very good collaborative relationship. We worked well together, exploring lots of different design options initially, and we seemed to play very well off each other. We ended up incorporating everyone's inputs, and we all had special interests and abilities that we leveraged in the final project. I enjoyed setting up the skeleton code and developing the basic elements of our original framework design. That's my thing. I just love getting into the code. Clarice was really good at the responsiveness of our website, and she did a great job picking out things like colors and backgrounds and putting the final touches on our aesthetics. And Mackenzie had a special interest in developing the animation to meet the CSS transition requirement. So here is the final product. We have our color scheme worked into our flight theme, and you can watch as we resize it. We did start coding with a mobile first approach, and the mobile would look something like this, all of the divs lined up on the left, and then as we expand it out, increase the width, we have the different elements moving around the page. And our graphics, we have backgrounds in here, and the bird flies. So we will refresh the page, and there goes Mackenzie's awesome animation. So that winds up our semester, and we hope you enjoyed our video.